Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Julie.
This
Very
is
much
delicious
appreciated.
food. Masarap. We have ordered before and we were very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Fidela, Ryan, and Michael for picking up your orders today. And talaga namang very generous, ha. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman, we're on our way to para mag-deliver kay Pinky na isa rin sa ating masugid na customers na ating Karinderya. Saan ka galing?
Nagpunta ako sa bahay niyo.
Bakit?
Hindi, joke lang. Kanina pa. Walang nag-vlog ang buhay. Ay, salamat.
Salamat!
Kuya.
And of course, mamaya sa work, dadalhin ko na yung order ni Maring Jenny de los Santos. Ayan, tapos na ang ating delivery, tapos na ating service. So ayan, tapos na ang service natin for today, kaya tayo ay pwede nang matulog. So from night pa ako, guys, kaya medyo haggard pa yung ating itsura. So from night ako, pag uwi ko, medyo nagluto pa ako ng konti, and then we went to my son's game, basketball game, buti na lang at nanalo sila. And then pag uwi, nag-continue to cook, tapos yun na nga, may nag-pick up na ng order, and then eto ang last ng aming delivery. So, after 10 minutes, pagka-uwi namin, pwede na akong matulog. Yes, time to sleep. Tapos na ang ating pagkakarinderya sa araw na ito. So, till next time na lang ulit. See ya! Cheers!